Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. When going off-roading, you need as much lighting as you can get and you need to protect it. So with our 2016 Wrangler, we're going to give it a nice rugged look and added protection by installing a Rugged Ridge EuroGuard kit. This EuroGuard kit comes with guards made of high quality steel with a nice textured black finish to cover your taillights, headlights, marker lights, fog lights, and turn signals to give your Jeep a nice rugged look and added protection while going off-road. And today we're going to install it on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. For this installation, you'll need a T15 Torx bit, Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a trim removal tool. We're going to start off doing the headlight guards, and to do that we need to remove the front grille. Remove the 6 clips on top of the grille that's secured in place. With all the clips out, you can pull the grille forward and release it. Disconnect the turn signal bulbs. Remove the 4 T15 Torx screws on the bezel of the headlight. Remove the factory headlight bezel. Get the headlight back in place and install the EuroGuard. And reinstall the screws. Once all 4 screws are tightened, repeat the process for the other headlight. The headlight guards are finished. Now we can move on to the turn signals. Remove the turn signal bulbs from the housing. Push on this tab right here. And also on this one to pop the housing out. Grab the turn signal guard and line it up on the housing, that tab with that tab, that tab with that tab, and that tab to that one. Get the bottom one on and then snap it into place. Squeeze all the tabs to make sure they're nice, tight, and secure, and then reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bulb. Reconnect the connector. And repeat the process for the other turn signal. Once you get the headlights and turn signals done, you can reinstall the grille. Moving on to the marker lights, get on the back side of the marker light and twist the bulb to remove it. Get yourself a small pick or screwdriver and punch out the center of this plastic rivet. If you can't get the plastic rivet out with a punch and a hammer, you can try using the C-clamp method, whichever way works for you. Push down on this tab to release the light from the bracket. Install the EuroGuard into the fender flare. You can install them however you would like, but we're going to make ours straight up and down. Reinstall the marker light. Reinstall the bulb. And repeat the process on the other side. We're on to the final lights on the front of our Jeep, the fog lights, and to do them we need to drop the skid plate. Remove the 6 clips holding on the skid plate. Remove the 4 screws securing in the fog light. We have aftermarket fog lights, but it's going to be the same process. To install these Euro guards, if you have the factory fog lights, all you need to do is install one of the 2 provided O-rings on the guard. However, we don't have factory fog lights, we have Putco Luminix fog lights, so there's a bit of a gap, so we need to use both provided O-rings on the guard so it doesn't rattle around. Now, if you're going to do this, you will need to find and purchase 2 more O-rings for the other side. Install the guard from behind the bumper. Then the fog light, and install the screws. Repeat the process for the other fog light, reinstall the skid plate, and now we can move on to the taillights. We're on to the taillights now. These are very easy, just remove these 4 screws. And if you notice, when you pull these out, the screws on the outside are larger than the inside screws. You need to remember that. Grab the guard and put the smaller screws on the inside of the guard. And then slide the black spacers over the guard. Put them in the housing, but do not tighten them all the way yet. Just get them started. Now install the larger bolts with their spacers as well. Get them all started and then gently tighten all of them. Do not over tighten these. Just to make these snug, do not over tighten them. You can crack the housing. Make sure it's tight, then repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. I absolutely love the way the textured black looks on this Jeep, but if textured black isn't your thing, this kit also is available in gloss black and stainless steel. Our Rugged Ridge Euro guards are installed. They're going to give us a lot of protection when we're off-road, and they look absolutely killer on this Jeep. Installation is going to take you about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.